Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing an unboxing, specifications, and information video on the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1-key extended anvil half-inch impact wrench. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we're going to be doing a video on this half-inch extended anvil controlled torque impact wrench with 1 key. It is item number 2769-20. So we have some batteries lined up to do weights on the tool with batteries. We have our scale. I also have my measuring tape so that we're going to measure the tool. And we're going to give off the specs. And everything as well. Now this says 1100 foot-pounds nut busting torque. You know, that's kind of a subjective number. Nobody knows exactly what combination, socket, you know, what they used to get that number, whether it was a wet test or a dry test. And I have the regular version. I have the 1-key regular version of this, the non-extended half-inch. And Torque Test channel, I'll leave a card up here for his channel, as well as I'll leave a card up here for a couple videos that he's done. He's done testing on the regular half-inch. I also have the 3/4 1-key version as well. And that one put out close to about 800 foot-pounds, roughly. And I think it was like 700 something, close to 800. And that one was rated at 1400 foot-pounds nut busting. I believe this one's probably going to be closer to 600, 650, maybe 700 on what it actually puts out. I picked this up for basically mostly rims, lug nuts, stuff like that. May come in handy for other things. Specs on the outside of the box: anvil half-inch extended square with friction ring, fastening torque 750, nut busting torque 1100, drive control 4-mode, customizable because it's 1 key. You can customize the 4 modes. RPM or revolutions per minute is 0 to 1800. Impacts per minute or IPM is 0 to 2400. Length is 10.1 inches and weight is 5.8 pounds. It's got the 1 key and it's got the 1 key stuff on the side, which is set, power, and speed, create and save profiles, access and manage profiles, identify nearby devices, view last known location, alerts when found, prevent theft and tampering, manage guest access, secure remotely, tool record, record keeping, save receipts, see utilizations for the 1 key features. And it's got the fuel and 1 key stuff on the back. Tool out the box, instruction guide, a entry ticket for the 10 tool combo, little 1 key booklet. This does not look like it has the entry on it. Some of these booklets do have entry forms on them. Empty. Okay. There is the tool in its bag. And 99% of all the 1 key tools come with this little tag on the bottom. You just take the tag off. It does stand on its own. The handle's kind of sticky to me. Not sure why the handle is so sticky, but alright, so instructions and everything, we're going to move these to the side. Bring in the scale. Bare tool without a battery. It's 5 pounds 13 ounces. The box says 5 pounds 8 ounces, so it says 5.8 pounds. That's pretty close. It's pretty close. Okay, 3 amp hour. This is a high output 3. With the 3, it's 7 pounds 2.5 ounces. With a regular 5, which is most of these tools come with a regular 5 in a kit. Regular 5. It is 7 pounds 6.6 ounces, so it's a little over 3.5 or so ounces heavier than the 3. Measure it with the 3 again real quick. Yeah, about 3 or so ounces, maybe a little less. High output 6 is 8 pounds 3.6 ounces. With a high output 8, it is 8 pounds 3.3 ounces. I think that 8 is a little heavier. Well, the 6 is a little heavier. 6 is probably a little heavier because I don't use the 6s very often. I use the 8s more. The 12 amp hour, it is 9 pounds 3.7 ounces. The likely chance you're going to put a 12 on this tool is unlikely. More than likely, I'm going to leave it probably with this 3 amp hour like that. More than likely. Or a 5. Move the scale out the way. It's definitely torquey. I'm just holding it and pulling the tool and letting it do what it does. Definitely torquey. That's on 1. 2. If I hold it steady. Even if I hold it tight and I try not to let it move, it's still pretty torquey. 3. And 4. Sounds pretty much the same in every mode. 1 and 2 is definitely different. 2 and 3 sound maybe a little different. It does sound good. It is blowing quite a bit of air. I can feel it away from me. The light is at the bottom. Right here. You can see me, the shadow I'm making when I tap the light. It's a nice little compact unit with a 3. Measurements. The box says it is 10.1 inches. Right there. It's 10 1/4. Yeah, about 10 1/4 inches. At the length, widest point on the front cone, I would say, is about 3 inches from where the bumpers are. On the back, widest point, I would say, is about 2 3/4 of an inch. The back is about 3 1/4 inches. Laying the tool down, the height from the highest point with a 10, or not a 10, but with a CP 3.0 is 10 1/4 inches tall. If you're measuring it at just the body by itself, remove the battery, it's close to about 9 inches in height without a battery. Put a regular 5 on it. The measurements with a regular 5 would be about 11 inches. With a high output 6, and 6 and 5 should be about the same. It is 11 1/8. We can measure it with an 8 anyways. With an 8, it is 11 1/16 of an inch. And just because, you know, somebody may want to know, here it is with the 12. Measurement on height with a 12 is 11 3/4 of an inch. So those are the specs at the moment. We'll be putting it in some videos on use videos soon. Don't want to make this video too long. Definitely a very nice tool. I will definitely get quite a bit of use out of it. I got rest of my Milwaukee tools are in here, and in some of these drawers. Plus I have one up here which is a solder iron. But do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates as always. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I also do have an Ulsa Tools link below that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order from Ulsa Tools. So it does help me if you guys do use the link, and if you guys need it, they do have some nice hand tools as well as toolbox organization stuff. If you don't need it, it's no big deal. I do appreciate you guys checking out the links and everything. I also do want to say thank you to all the subscribers and the commenters and everybody that watches and checks out the videos. The channel is now, YouTube is now paying me for the videos, and the channel is now paying for itself. So thank you so much to whoever has been using the affiliate links, as well as to all the subscribers and even the non-subscribers for watching the channel, because you guys are making it possible for me to get some of these tools for free, because I'm not paying out of my pocket. YouTube's now paying for the channel's now paying for the tools to come onto the channel. I did pay for these tools, the jigsaw as well as this one. These tools I needed. Wanted to grab the deal. This I ended up this one's normally $350. I got it for $254, $244. I think it was $254 I got this for. So I got 27% off this. And the jigsaw I got for, it's normally $199 bare tool. I got it for $144. I got 27% off that one as well. Thank you so much to all of you guys. I do have some Milwaukee M18 fuel switch tanks coming in that the channel actually did pay for. I didn't pay out of pocket for those. They're just on back order for Milwaukee at the moment, so I will get them coming in 4 to 5 weeks or so. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys had a good time. I hope you guys, this video was helpful to you guys. If there's any information that you guys want to know about these tools, go ahead and ask me. I'll do the best I can, or somebody in the comments will also try to help. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and hope to see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!